The final strategy I'm going to talk to you about is mezzanine finance. Now, it's not too common anymore, particularly after the crashes, but in some instances it is still possible. So mezzanine finance is when you borrow from two different sources in order to create the 100%. So if you're looking at borrowing from a bank, you might borrow again 80% from a bank, but you might also then go to whether it's an angel investor, whether it's a finance company, and they're going to put in the other 20%. This is probably going to be a first mortgage, second mortgage situation, or if it's an angel investor or money partner, maybe they'll simply put a caveat on your property in order to control it. The sorts of people you can get mezzanine finance from are generally, you can get bridging finance from lawyers, that's sometimes helpful, sometimes finance companies, and often just private investors.